Yo, 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 what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins is checking in another trade. I'm on USDCAD. I have a sell in over here. As you see, entries here. Caught bit of a drawdown, just a small drawdown, 3% drawdown on my account, which is nothing. And it came out back and retested price, and now price is falling. And, and away we go. Away we go. No real analysis. I don't really, I know I don't get too true real analysis, but you see it, you do know this is an uptrend. Definitely do know that. So we're looking for a trend line test here right now for the size to break. So you guys that want to possibly enter, market conditions have changed a little, so buyers be aware. Buyers be aware. So take a look, do your analysis, and see what's going on. But I was just checking out, y'all. Another good trade.